Hello, and welcome to the Andrew L. Boheis Library. Today I'm going to show you how you can access the guide for physician's assistants and how you can access resources using our library's homepage. So to start, you would go to the library's homepage, either go from My Canisius and click on Library, or type in library.canisius.edu. This will take you to our homepage here. In the center, this is the box you are going to need. Research Guides is under this third tab, and if you click, it's alphabetical, and scroll down to Physician's Assistant, and click Go. This will open up a new window, a new tab or window, depending upon your computer, and will show you the different resources we have available to you as a Physician's Assistant student. The first tab here tells you some of the different e-journals that we have access to. Here we have the different journals. These are linked. You can search them separately if you would like. You just click on a particular journal. It will take you to the page, and once you are logged in, you can click right on the different links. This one only is available in this database, but some of them are available in numerous databases, and you can search just that particular journal. Going to click back. We also have ebooks. Here are the different links to the ebook databases we have. We have Science Direct ebooks, we have EBSCOhost, and we have what is eBook Central, which it comes from ProQuest. You can search those separately. We have the different databases, PubMed, Access Medicine. This is one that you will be using a lot, so you may want to just bookmark this particular guide so you can click right on it. Health Reference Center, Sport Discus, Physical Therapy, the Psych articles, Science Direct again. We also have links to some of the medical images page. These are not searched with our library search because these are separate, and these are all freely available. And then we have a tab about Primo, which tells you how to search our library's discovery service. There's also on the side a link to citations, help, and our Connect New York, our consortium we are part of, which you would get print books from. So I'm going to go back to the library's homepage. Over here, we're going to click on Primo. This is our discovery search. This is where you would search whatever topic you are looking for, and then it will tell you if it's an article, a book, an ebook, and you can click right in there. So I'm just going to do thyroidism, and search. And here it's telling us we have a little over 3,000 results. You can see here this first one's an article. You scroll further down, see more articles, but there would be books. You can limit on the side here, resource type, articles, books. If you click on the right side, you would remove the item from your list. If you click on the left side, it'll allow you to apply the filter and keep those in there. So we're going to just say we want journal articles. Creation date, this is where you would limit to what years you wanted. You also have language, and you have some other different, if it's a peer-reviewed. And then you just look through, seeing what you want. These are all available. If you wanted to request something through interlibrary loan, you can expand my results, and this will search beyond what we have and give you citations, and those you can request then right through interlibrary loan. This is relatively simple, but if you still need help, please feel free to contact us at the library at 716-888-8411, or stop in at the front desk, or email us at library@canisius.edu. Have a good day.